Good morning everybody. We're back from our Easter holiday now and it's a lovely sunny day for us today. What a nice start. I can't wait to see you all today. I'll pop round and say hi from the door and make sure that you're all happy and back to school, ready to learn, ready to see your friends, ready to see your teachers, because we're definitely ready to see you. And have a little think today. What have you already achieved? Even this morning when you're watching this, I'm thinking about what have I already achieved, because when we think about what we've already done for ourselves, it does make us feel good and it can make us feel happy and proud of ourselves. So I'm thinking about one thing I always start the day with. I always make my bed. So I always put my covers back on to my bed and make it look neat and tidy. And that is a really funny thing, isn't it? It's a really small thing, but it means I've started my day and I've already achieved something. I've already got something done and I can feel good about it. So have a little think. Is there something that you feel good? Oh, I've already done that today. Good for me. That you can start the day feeling like you've done something, like you've accomplished something. That means you've got something done for yourself. Have a little think. Now, if you're having some trouble thinking about what that could be, maybe your teacher will have a chat to you all, and maybe you can have a chat to each other about sometimes things are so small that we don't realise that they are something that makes a difference to us, or something that we've done. Sometimes people are so kind, for example, they don't know that they're kind and they don't even realise they've done something nice. Like even a smile. You say, I smiled at someone today, and that you don't know what that made that person feel like. I bet it made them feel really good. So that was a really kind thing that you did there. So have a little think. And by the end of the day, do this again at the end of the day, end of the school day today, and think, what did I achieve today? I bet there's a lot. There'll be a lot. I bet even if you did it at lunchtime, there'd be a lot that you've got achieved today. So have a little think and then do it. Maybe you could do it at lunchtime, and maybe you could do it at the end of the day and think, I've got a big long list now. And then before you go to bed, have another go. What have I done today? What have I achieved today? And you will feel good. Some of those things might be about how you've been nice to somebody else. Some of those things might be about things that you've tried really hard at doing. And maybe you didn't finish something today that you really wish you did have, but you know that you worked really hard on it and you've got further than you ever have before. Now that is an achievement too. Okay? Have a little bit of a breathe. Ready? We're going to end in a sec. Nice and relaxed. Okay. Well, have a lovely Monday, everybody, and I'll see you soon.